Yes, they gave here simplify, and they put in a statement in a bracket, and they said give answer with positive exponent. From there, you already know when you read carefully positive exponent telling you we are dealing with exponents. Okay. From there, I need to recall the laws of exponents in order to simplify this. Okay. And in order to recall the laws of exponent, I need to know what other operations that we are working with. Yes, they give 2 to the power of 2n minus 1 times 4 to the power of n plus 1 times 2 to the power of goes to 1. We don't write it normally, but it is there. Over, divide by 4 to the power of 2n. Yes, now we need two laws, law 1 and law 2, or multiplication rule of exponents and division rule of exponents. And remember, I will work with this with any steps that I can see it's much easier for me. First one, I will look this as two different powers, and I will say this equals 2 times 2 raised to the power of 2n minus 1 times 2 to the power of goes to 1. I mean this one. Multiply. I'm gonna take just the 4 raised to the power of n plus 1 over 4 to the power of 2n. Now, I will say, let me work out the top part first, or the numerator. So I see the first two exponents has the same base, and I am multiplying. And this power goes to 1. So this equals 2 to the power of 2n minus 1 plus 1 times 4 to the power of n plus 1 over 4 to the power of 2n. Okay. Now, this equals 2 to the power of 2n minus 1 plus 1 equals 2 to the power of just 2n. Because minus 1 plus 1 is 0. Times 4 to the power of n plus 1 over 4 to the power of 2n. Now, in my numerator, I have two powers with different base, but I am multiplying. What should I do? Can we make the base same? Yes, because 4 can be rewritten as 2 square. If we prime factorize, or if we just use our own prime. Therefore, this equals 2 to the power of 2n times 2 square in bracket raised to the power of n plus 1 over 4 to the power of 2n. Now, I have the same base on top, but I still have problem because there is a bracket, and that's the law. You always need to remember, if you make the base same and you convert one power, that power must be in bracket. Now call law 3 of exponent, which say if you raise their power to a further power, multiply the exponents. I therefore need to multiply this exponent by this exponent. So 2 times n, and also multiply the adding one. 2 times 1. This simplifies to 2 to the power of 2n times 2 to the power of 2n plus 2 over 4 to the power of 2n. Now I don't have any problem on top part, on my numerator. Why? Because I have same base and I am multiplying. I can therefore just straight simplify. This simplifies to 2 to the power of 2n plus 2n plus 2 over 4 to the power of 2n. Well, now what do I need to do? Just to simplify on top part, 2n plus 2n is 4n plus 2. So that simplifies to 2 to the power of 4n plus 2 over 4 to the power of 2n. Now I am the end of my work. I finish with the top part. So now I have to finish completely. So I left with 2 to the power of 4n plus 2 divided by 4 to the power of 2n. So now I need to use law 2 of exponent, which says if you divide two powers with the same base, subtract the exponents. I see 2 powers, yes, but do I have same base? The base on top is 2 and the bottom part is 4. Another same. Can we make the same? Yes. How? Because 4 to the power of 2n can be rewritten as 2 square in bracket after prime factorizing raised to the power of 2n. And here I will use law 3, which says if power raised to a further power, multiply the exponents. So I will multiply this 2 by 2n, which gives me 2 to the power of 4n. Done. I made the exponents the same. So 2 to the power of 4n plus 2 raised to the power of divided by 4 to the power of 2n equals 2 to the power of 4n plus 2 over 2 to the power of 4n. Now I get powers with the same base and I'm dividing. What do I need? Subtract the exponents, which means 4n must be subtracted from 4n plus 2. Therefore, this equals, just to take one base, 2 to the power of 4n plus 2, straight take minus 4n. It's always much safer to put in bracket, but now no need for. So now, 4n plus 2 minus 4n. What is the answer? This equals 4n minus 4n gives me just 0. I therefore need to write down final answer of 2 to the power of 2. Done. I was told give answer with positive exponent. I therefore need to leave my answer 2 square or 2 to the power of 2. Therefore, 2 to the power of 2n minus 1 times 4 to the power of n plus 1 times 2 to the power of goes to 1 over 4 to the power of 2n equals 2 to the power of 2. I just cycle it to make it clear. That's my final answer. Thanks. Hope it did make sense.